Hello everyone. You are once again welcome in the self transformation series of day 10. Yes, my dear friends, today the thought which will be helping us in imbibing the change within us is really simple. We will listen to that thought, imbibe it, and see the miracle happening in our life. So, the thought which we are taking is experience stage of liberation in life. Yes, my dear friends, this is the topic for the day. That is, experience stage of liberation in life. Before we experience the liberation, we have to experience the bondages, the cage of bondages. Yes, my dear friends, what are the cage of bondages in our life? Let's see in detail that what all are the stages of bondages in our life, or the cages of bondages in our life. The first basic bondage is the body consciousness. This body is also the cage of bondages. This body is also not letting us to do the way we want the things to be done. At times, the body is in pain. At times, the body is not responding. At times, this body is with fatigue or so many other problems. So, this is also the limit for liberation. This body consciousness is also the feeling which expresses that not possible for you to do. It's not possible. You can't do it because we are stuck in this body. And so, as a consciousness, this feelings generates, and this body awareness, this bondages of body, at times never shows the path of liberation to us. The next bondage or the next cage of bondages is relationship. Yes, my dear friends, at times we are stuck in the relationship, and there are so many. If you start from the day till the end, you are actually dealing with so many relationships. The relationship, first of all, with yourself, with the family members, with the friends, with the officials, with so many people you are interacting. From the day you move out and you come in, there are so many. So this relationship where you are, at times you are playing the role of father, mother, child, whosoever, but these are also the bondages in our life. But we have to fulfill our duties. We can't say that these are the bondages, so we should not fulfill the duty. Otherwise, we will not get liberation. That is absolutely wrong. To get liberation, you have to fulfill all the things. You have to fulfill all your family duties. But the way you have to fulfill is without attachment. You should fulfill all the things with detached feeling. The detachment formula is really simple. It states that you have love, but you have minus the pain. In attachment, it is love plus pain. So here it reflects in this way that when I love my family, and if they have any pain, and I am also bearing the same pain with them, I am also becoming weak like the way they are. That is attachment. But in other way out, I love my family, but I am detached person, so I still love my family, but whatever pain they are going through, I'm not experiencing that pain, but I am looking for the ways for them how they can come out. You know, my dear friends, if we are in the detached state, then only we see the way of coming out from that situation. If you are inside that situation and you are not as a observer observing them, you will never see the solution. Once you are out from that role, once you are out from that situation, then only you can reflect the ways. Because we have seen so many times when we discuss our problem with someone, with anyone, whether family member, friends, or whomsoever you want to, whenever you discuss with others, they easily come out with the solution. The reason is because they are not attached to that situation. They are the detached people. And since they are detached, so they can easily come out. So here lies the next step. The next step is we have to fulfill our all family duties, but without any attachment. We should be free from the mind, I, me, and my consciousness. Whenever this is there, this mind awareness is there, we are always in the cage, like the parrot. Like the parrot, we are inside this cage, and once we are away from this mind consciousness, we become like an angel. Have you ever seen the angels, how light they are? Because they don't have any bondages. They don't have the bondages of body. They don't have the bondages of relationship. They perform everything but without any bondages. So we can easily come out of these. Whenever there is mind consciousness, we always come across the question, what to do? How can I do this? I want to do, but it doesn't happen. You have to make yourself free from all those things. And for that, you have to come out from your mind consciousness and be like a trustee. Be like an observer. And then you will definitely experience the stage of liberation in life. Here the word liberation means free from bondages of all your worries, free from bondages of all your problems, and completely liberated and enjoying the life. So my dear friends, this is an example. This is the way where you can easily work on your thoughts and just give the message to your brain that today I am free from all the bondages. I am the detached observer. I am the trustee. Whatever way you want to express, and then leave it. You will see, my dear friends, that once your thought is imbibed, consciously or unconsciously, you will see the change that it will help you whenever you are stuck up. So this is the way we are transforming ourselves in our thought process. So keep connecting with us, daily imbibe one thought and practice it in a very, very different way. Thank you. And for further details, you can look in the description box wherein we are actually working on this thought process. Thank you.